Hello everyone, I'm back with one more video, and this video is about GMAT Focus Edition. That is modern GMAT exam pattern or changes in GMAT exam pattern for 2024, 2025 and possibly further. What we are going to discuss in this video is what is GMAT Focus Edition, what is the difference between old pattern that is called GMAT Classic and GMAT Focus Edition, scoring parameter, concepts, topics. All right, so let's begin with, to understand well about GMAT Focus Edition, better to compare between GMAT Classic and GMAT Focus Edition. To begin with, let us understand a scoring parameter. In GMAT Classic, the total score is 800, but in GMAT Focus Edition, total score is going to be 805. That 805 is going to come from verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and data insight. Remember, the total score for GMAT Classic is not from all four sections that are verbal, quant, integrated reasoning, and analytical writing. The total score for GMAT Classic comes from verbal and quant. Score of integrated reasoning and analytical writing is not added in the total score. Only verbal and quant score is added. But in GMAT Focus Edition, the score will be added from all three sections, and they are verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and data insight. Now let us understand individual score. In GMAT Classic, as I said, that score comes from verbal and quant. So the individual weightage of GMAT verbal is 51, quant 51, integrated reasoning 8, and analytical writing 8. But as I said, the score of integrated reasoning and analytical writing is not added in total score 800. The change pattern, that is GMAT Focus Edition, the total score of verbal reasoning is going to be 60-90. Quantitative reasoning is going to be 60-90. And data insight is going to be 60-90. And all three sections will be included. Now, duration and individual question. GMAT Classic has verbal, and verbal carries 36 questions and total duration is given 65 minutes. Quant carries 31 minutes and total duration will be 62 minutes. Integrated reasoning has 12 tasks, but the total duration will be 30 minutes. And analytical writing, it has one task, 30 minutes. So the total timing will be 3 hours, 17 minutes. In GMAT Focus Edition, the timing has been distributed equally. Verbal total question will be 23, but the duration will be 45 minutes. Quantitative reasoning, the total number of question will be 21 and duration will be 45 minutes. Data insight, total number of question will be 20 and duration will be 45 minutes. So duration of each topic is 45 minutes. Number of question varies and that ranges from 20 to 23. Data insight 20, quantitative reasoning 21 and verbal reasoning 23. Subtopics of each section. GMAT Classic has verbal, as verbal has 3 topics, that is sentence correction, critical reasoning, reading comprehension. Weightage of sentence correction will be 35%, weightage of critical reasoning will be 30%, and weightage of reading comprehension will be 35%. So the verbal is consist of 3 sections: sentence correction, critical reasoning, reading comprehension. 12 to 14 questions from sentence correction, 12 to 14 questions from reading comprehension, and 8 to 10 questions from critical reasoning. On the other hand, GMAT Focus Edition verbal has only 2 topics, and they are critical reasoning, reading comprehension. The weightage of reading comprehension is expected 55% and critical reasoning 45%. If we go with the question wise, it will be almost same, 13 to 14 questions and 8 to 10 questions. Quant part. So the quant is consist of algebra, arithmetic, geometry, word problem, and that is old pattern GMAT Classic, but new pattern is different. It will test only 2 topics, that is called algebraic and arithmetic. Old pattern, that is called GMAT Classic, had 2 more topics and they were IR and AWA. So the IR is all about data and reasoning and AWA is essay writing. But in DI, it is digital data literacy dimension. So DI is all about the test of digital data literacy dimension and is going to play a crucial role because it is essential in GMAT Focus Edition. To sum up or before ending, new pattern that is called GMAT Focus Edition. So this is coming pattern. Total number of questions will be 20, 21 and 23. Total duration will be 2 hours, 15 minutes. And a score will come from all 3 sections. This is all for today. I'll come with study plan of verbal section in next video. Till then, have a good time.